What's growing on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you the one thing every gardener should do the first year they plant strawberries. I have made several videos this year on planting bare root strawberries, and one of the most common questions I have received is, if I plant bare root strawberries this spring, will I get a harvest off of the plants this year? The answer may surprise you. A bare root strawberry is a strawberry plant that was actively growing the previous year. Winter came, they went into dormancy, then the plant was dug up and sold to you as a dormant bare root without any soil. This makes them cheaper to package, ship, and it avoids many interstate shipping restrictions that come when you transport live plants with a root ball containing soil. Because of this, when you receive bare root strawberries, typically they are already going to be 1 to 2 year old plants. Strawberry plants live short lives. Their vigor begins to decline after the 3rd year, and most plants only live to be about 5 years old under ideal conditions. So anytime you buy bare root strawberries, they are going to be at an age where they are physically capable of flowering and producing fruit for you that first year if you plant them. That doesn't mean that they will. That depends on how early you plant them, how long your growing season is, how warm it is on average, how quickly they root in your soil, and if they get enough nutrients. But if you plant them early enough in the spring and you fertilize them, chances are at least some of your plants will try to flower and fruit that very first year. But here's the thing, you shouldn't let them. Your first year should be dedicated to one thing, the strawberry roots establishing themselves. The fruiting cycle takes up a lot of energy and it will stress out newly planted strawberry roots. The whole point of year 1 is for the plant to dedicate all of their energy to anchoring the roots well into the soil. This will reward you with bigger harvests in year 2, and the plants will have more energy to multiply and grow your strawberry patch. Strawberry plants multiply by sending runners that root and create new plants, but they won't do that until they are well established. Incredibly, I just planted these bare root strawberries a month ago and they are already beginning to flower. I just showed you how to do this on a recent video, and I will link to that video both above and down in the video description if you want to see the best way to do that. But this is way too early for these young roots. So unfortunately, I am going to have to snip these flowers off. I know this sounds difficult, maybe even crazy to some of you, but it is the right thing to do. So to answer the question, will the bare root strawberries I plant in spring give me a harvest that first year? The answer is, it doesn't matter, because you shouldn't let them. Just because your plants are capable of fruiting doesn't mean they should. Remove the flowers that first year and you will be rewarded for it later. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.